Unit 3. Arrays, linked lists, and recursions. Let's check the contents in the Unit 3, which we concluded. Contents 3.1 Using arrays 3.2 Single linked list 3.3 Doubly linked list 3.4 Circularly linked lists and list reservoir 3.5 Recursion. When we stated the first things, as we have said, we have to start from the first chapter, which is known as the first 3.1 Using arrays. 3.1.1 Storing game entries in an array. The first application we study is for storing entries in an array, in particular high score entries for a video game. Storing objects in arrays is a common way used for arrays, and we could just as easily have chosen to store records for patients in hospital or the names of players on a football team. Nevertheless, let us focus on storing high score entries, which is a simple application that is already rich enough to present some important data structuring concepts. Let us begin by thinking about what we want to include in an object representing a high score entry. Obviously, one component to include is an integer representing the score itself, which we call score. Another useful thing to include is the name of the person earning this score, which we simply call name. We could go on from here, adding fields representing the dates the score was earned or game statistics that led to that score. Let us keep our example simple, however, and just have two fields, score and name. The class structures is shown in code fragment 3.1. Okay, when we see the code fragments, we need to write, as we have said before. So, we need to know what's the following implementation. We can write the following by using the computer code, such like the class game entry, and to put the left brace public. Then write game entry const string n equals to double quotation int s equals to 0. Put the semicolon. String get name const int get score constant. Then put private string name. Then put the brass right brass name into score. But we needed to correct here. Put the right brass into the bottom. So we write it the following code as we have stated like this. Here is the player name, the player's score. The string name is indicated as the player's name, and the int score player's score. And the string get name constant get player name, and the int get score must be get score. Game entry is a constructor. Class game entry is the game score entry. For now, we have checked about in the code fragment 3.1 how can we simplify by using the arrays when we put it in the game entry here.